Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Dhawale Pallavi and our today's Viva topic is polymorphism. So polymorphism is one of the biggest features in Java. Polymorphism means it is a perform single action in a different way. It is called as polymorphism, and there are two polymorphism create word two Greek word combination of two Greek words. Poly means many and morph means shape. Then many shapes, it is called as polymorphism. Then there are two types of polymorphism: compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. So firstly we will take one example of polymorphism. Suppose one student it goes to the school, then it behave like as a student. If one person, this person is coming into home, that time it's behave like a daughter. And if he this student goes into the market, then it is behave like a customer. That is one form. It is take more than one form to the take more than one form ability. Then first we see the compile time polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism, it is also known as static binding or early binding. It is used to the compile time polymorphism it is used to the method overloading. In that method overloading, suppose we have a one class, that there is a two method which has same name but different parameter list. It is called as method overloading. Suppose we will give one example of method overloading. Suppose our class is create a one class, then and we take a two method. uh, both method have same name like addition. Then in that first method, we give the some parameter integer a integer b, and uh, inside the block of code we create the addition. And then next method is also addition method. There have three parameter: integer a, integer b, integer c. It is also perform some operation like multiplication, addition, and that is method overloading example. Method overloading is possible to the same class. And next one is method overriding. In that method overriding, it is examples of it is an example of runtime polymorphism. Mm, Method overriding, it we can override the method parent class method into the child class, and then child class method shows the output. The examples of method overriding, suppose in that parent class we have run method, and also we have child class, and child class also run method, and our child class extend to the parent class, and it override the method. uh, Method overriding means firstly same name, but same name and same parameter list, that is called as method overriding. And then we create object of child class and call the run method, then it gives the child class method, because parent class method override by child class run method. And then compile time polymorphism is another examples of, suppose method overloading. Suppose we have one person and there is two contact number. Then it is examples of method overloading. And method overriding, in that method overriding, suppose mm, in that method overriding we cannot change our method return type. We take a same method return type. That's why it is possible to method overriding. And method overriding, sorry, runtime polymorphism is also called as late binding and dynamic binding. That's all about the polymorphism. Thank you so much.